Welcome back. Today, we are tackling a classic algorithmic problem, finding a peak element in an array. This is a popular interview question that tests your understanding of binary search beyond just sorted arrays. First, let's define what a peak is. A peak element is simply an element that is strictly greater than its neighbors. In the example shown here, the number 3 is a peak because it is greater than 2 on its left and 1 on its right. The most straightforward way to solve this is using a linear scan. We can iterate through the array and check every element. As soon as we find an element that is greater than the next one, we have found a peak. This works, but it takes linear time, or O of n. But can we do better than checking every single element? If we have an array with 1 billion elements, a linear scan takes 1 billion steps. We want to achieve O of log n time complexity, similar to binary search, which would take only about 30 steps for the same array. The key intuition is to think of the array values as a mountain landscape. If you are climbing a slope and the value is rising, the peak must be further up the hill, to your right. If the slope is falling, the peak is behind you, to your left. This gives us our binary search logic. We pick a middle element. If the neighbor to the right is larger, we are on a rising slope, so we move our search to the right half. If the neighbor is smaller, we are on a falling slope, so we look in the left half. Let's trace this with an example. Here, our middle element is 3. We compare it to its right neighbor, which is 1. Since 3 is greater than 1, we are on a downward slope. This means a peak must exist to the left or at the current position, so we bring our high pointer to mid. Now our new search range is smaller. The middle element is 2. We compare it to its right neighbor, 3. Since 2 is less than 3, we are on an upward slope. The peak must be to the right, so we move our low pointer to mid plus 1. Finally, our low and high pointers meet at index 2, which holds the value 3. The loop terminates, and we return index 2. We have successfully located the peak without checking every element. Here is the implementation in Python. We use a while loop that continues as long as left is less than right. Inside, we calculate mid and check the slope condition. Depending on the slope, we adjust either the left or right boundary. This solution is highly efficient. The time complexity is O of log n because we discard half of the search space in each step. The space complexity is O of 1 since we only use a few variables for our pointers. To summarize, a peak is larger than its neighbors. We can use the slope of the array to guide a binary search, allowing us to find a local maximum in logarithmic time, even if the array is not sorted.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.